Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney and this is Doodle Dollars. I'm a 34-year-old single mom and teacher, and I do cash budgeting to help me stay financially accountable. Today I am going to be cash stuffing $550 in my wallet and my binders. So I have my list here of what I need. Groceries, I'm not going to pull because I ordered groceries online and I picked them up today. So I'm not going to pull any cash because I would just pull it and then I would have to pull it back out to take back to the bank. So that didn't make sense. I am going to cash stuff $40 for dining, but I was really proud of myself. Last week, I didn't DoorDash at all to my work, or not last week, but because last week was Thanksgiving. So of course I didn't DoorDash, but the week before that, at work, I didn't DoorDash at all. And I was super proud of myself for that because usually I do end up DoorDashing something, but not last week. So I was super happy about that. So this week I did the same, kind of the same thing. I went and bought like a box of groceries at Aldi on my planning period yesterday. I'm filming this on Tuesday. So Monday, I went out and bought groceries. I bought a big thing of like soup, like a box of soup, and half for my coffee and for the soup. And I bought a whole loaf of bread, sourdough bread, and cheese, and salami, and pickles. And that's what I had for lunch today, and that's what I had for lunch yesterday. So I'm planning on just having that for lunch for the rest of the week. Or maybe I'll bring leftovers if I have leftovers tonight, if I get kind of tired of having that. But anyways, so $40, I'm cutting back. I'm trying to really cut back and do my best to not overspend in that area. Then we have $15 for gas. I did spend like $12 the other day just to fill up like half of a tank because I hadn't cash planned yet. So I used my card. So that's why I'm only doing 15, because I do have half a tank already. And I usually don't need that much, especially if I'm just staying around this area. My commute to work is like 10 minutes, so I'm super thankful for that. I usually don't have to spend a ton on gas, and so that really is nice. All right, cell phone is going to get 10. So let's see how much we have in here. This is due in February, and we need like $210. So we have 100, 20, 30, and 40. We're gonna skip hair. I'm actually thinking about cutting my own hair, and I don't know if I'll dye it, but maybe doing a box of dye. So we'll see about that. I don't know. Haircut is so expensive. Cut and color, you know, is so expensive for at least where I go. I could probably do another person, but I don't want to find another stylist. And I love my stylist. She's really good, but also very expensive. And I just have not been motivated to like save for it. So I'm thinking maybe I will cut my own hair. I don't know. We'll see. So we're skipping that. Insurance for our car is getting 50. This is due October. I paid it in October. So I just paid it. So it's not due for another 6 months from October. So what would that be? October, November, December, January, February, March, April. So April. So we have 1, 2, 3, 354, 450, 500. So we're about halfway there, which is awesome. Okay, and then that's it for this binder. I took out all my tax stuff from here to put back into the bank. I'm just doing transfers. You'll see in a second when I go over my business stuff how I'm doing that. But let's cash stuff my binders. So Sunday is getting 200. We're gonna do, let's see, 4 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 20s. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 150. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200. All right, Monday is getting 20, 15 ones, and 1 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Tuesday is going to get 15. Oops, that's not Tuesday. Tuesday is going to get 15. And I think we're just doing 15 ones. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And Aria said that she wants to start doing her binder again. So instead of doing $30 for Tiny Tuesday, I'm doing 15 in Tiny Tuesday, and I'll do 15 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I wasn't able, oh, my nail popped off. Look at that. Actually, that's good because these nails are kind of getting to the point where they're all like rubbing, the white part is rubbing off and like this part is dented. So I do need to change these out. So yay, okay. But they've been sticking so well, actually. It's been great. So I put $15 in here last week, and I'll put $15 in here again for 30. So hopefully when I have her next, which will be, yeah, I'll probably have actually $45 in here for her to play with. And I think I might need to go through and get some new challenges in here because these ones have been sitting in here for a while. And so I'll just have to go through and see what we have and figure that out. But she wants to do her binder again. So I was like, okay, I'll just cash stuff some of that in there for you so we can do it together. She loves being part of this club. She calls it a club, which I think is so funny. Also, she got to meet Vicky the other day. We went to Korean barbecue with Vicky from Vicky Thinks, and Aria was being so shy. I felt bad. She was very tired. So she had had a long week of Thanksgiving and then a long day. So she was like not very sociable, unfortunately. Anyways, this is our pen pal binder, and all this money goes towards travel. So we're gonna do 100 in here this time. And I think moving forward, we'll do 100 because I was figuring stuff out and I definitely need to save more money for that trip. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21s. We need 4 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 4 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 20. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, and then 21s for $100. All right, then our Christmas binder is getting 60. So we're doing 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 3 10s. 1, 2, 3. I do have a few more things to buy for Christmas. I have to buy presents for my second set of nieces and nephews. And then I think we'll be pretty much done. So that's nice. All right, and then Wednesday is getting 120. So 21s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 4 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 20s. 1, 2. Oh, I forgot to pull $40 for my business pay. That's okay. I'll grab that from my money that was supposed to go back to the bank and add that in to my sinking funds. So for my business expenses this week, oh my gosh, this binder is so thick. Look how thick she is. For my business pay, I got this money in Stripe, $213 and $33. PayPal got $11. Etsy got $142, so that makes a total of $201. I put 30% towards taxes, so that's $60, and I just deposited that into my Wealthfront bank account. It's like a high yield savings account, really. So all of my tax money is in there now. At this point, I think we have close to $2,000 in there. And then I was gonna pull $40 in cash for paying myself, and that means I have $101 left in that account. I opened a separate business account, which I'm really loving, by the way, to keep track of my business earnings and my expenses. So I need to get my Ko-fi stuff to transfer to it directly, because this week I just transferred the PayPal and the Stripe money to that business account. Etsy is going straight into that, and then I pull from there my taxes, and I'll pull the cash to pay myself, and then everything that's left is what I can spend on expenses. And I think just for my brain it's easier that way to keep track of. So I will have to pull $40 in cash and put that into my sinking funds. I'll do that separately. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.